welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome home. To those of you who don't know me, I am Kashish. I live in Mumbai and I work as an actor. I've lived here for the past 7 years, and this is my 11th house. It's insane. So yeah, 11 houses in 7 years. But the good news is that I get to make my own home every time I move into somewhere, and it's one of the things that I enjoy in my life to convert a space and make it look like mine. And this home in particular is very, very special to me because every corner is made with a lot of love and with pure joy. So, yeah, let's go. Hi again. Come on in. So, the first thing that you see as soon as you enter home is this huge mirror. It's actually one of my prized possession. When I was young, when I was a kid, I always wanted a lot of mirror at my face because I loved looking at myself. I was obsessed with it. I still am, and yeah, I got a lot of mirrors, and this is one of them. Um, it is actually from a flea market, and I got really lucky with it. It's made of wood, and I asked the carpenter bhaiya to add that extra little on top of that so that it gives a lot more detailing into it. Next up, we have this kind of small sitting right here. Works out perfectly well for me. I sit here all the time and I do my breakfast here. So this is kind of like my breakfast nook, if you may call it so. One of my favorite things in the house is this marble top table. If you see in close, there's a lot of carvings that are missing here, and I kind of love that. I love that it has so much story in it, and it's, I don't know, probably older than me. Who knows? Most of the things are in this house antiques and flea market finds, very budget friendly. Next up, we have this lamp. This is brass, so I love the detailing of it. I am a sucker for textures and for details. Yes, let's go. Okay, so I wanted this space to kind of look like fully white, so I got white bougainvillea flowers. I'm 100% sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but yeah, you get it. Like that plant I wanted here, and I wanted to be covered with white, but this is what I ended up with. And I love it because it's mine now. So I love it either way. There are seasons where it blooms a lot and it looks very, very pretty, but I love this. One of the things that I could not fit in this house was a fridge because it is right at the back, but I'll tell you the story because Bombay houses are pretty small. It's a 1 BHK apartment, but we had no space for it in the kitchen, so I kind of kept it here. It's basically when you enter, the mirror is right in front of you, and then there's a fridge on the left hand side of you. It was supposed to look awkward, but it does not. It does not look awkward. Lots of books in the house because I love reading, and this is honestly, I think 20% of the books I have, and the rest of them, again, because of I didn't have space, so I kept it inside. Yeah, some of my very, very favorite books are here, which is The 40 Rules of Love and The Courage to Be Disliked. A very, very great book. This is the living space. I am here most of the time. My friends come here a lot of times and we hang out. I love to host, so whenever we have parties, we are here, we are chilling around because also technically because there's no other place to sit other than this. This table is again one of my favorite things. I know I keep saying that about everything in this house, but it genuinely is. It's actually one piece of wood. We had an option to smoothen it out, but I liked the unevenness of it. The sofa did not look like this at all. This is probably the only thing that came with the house. I'm gonna try and find a picture. I might have a very blurry picture of the sofa that was there, but I kind of like customized it totally with this striped situation that's going on in here. I absolutely love, love, love how it turned out. The frames are of a film that I love, some flowers. This this term, it's actually a mystery how this term is pronounced. Hika. I think just tell me in the comments below if you know. My favorite thing about this apartment is the location of it. I live in the heart of Mumbai in Bandra, and there's a lot of things to do here. So you can never really get bored. There's a lot of great coffee places, lots of nice walk around you can take. This situation is actually, I can go on here and I can go to my bedroom, which you will see later, but it's all connected through here. It's like that secret passage way. Interesting. This tree is my baby. It is a champa tree. Is something that I have with me since over 5 years. Let's talk about the light fixtures at this place. So, this also came along with the house, something that I love. This house is also double ventilated, something that's not related to light, but something that I'm remembering is why I got the place in the first place. But again, back to the light. Uh, you should come to my place at night. It's actually a vibe. It's There's jazz music playing, and then there's like these lampshades on. Can you believe that I have a freaking tree at my place? I have a tree. How cool is that? It's like little Kashish's dream. This is a very nice, detailed piece of furniture that I own, and I get to say that I own this furniture. Thank you, God. But yes, it is all cane, and I love the detailing of it. It's actually a shoe rack that I use. Um, a TV, very basic. Watch a lot of films here and shows here. Currently watching Stranger Things and waiting for the next part to come in. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this YouTube video, but like till then, I think Stranger Things will be out. This is where the true magic happens. I love to cook and I'm here quite a lot. It's a very teeny tiny kitchen, but it just has the right amount of ingredients to make the most amount of perfect food. The right amount of ingredient to make the most perfect food. And yes, I love lots of detailings here. Let's go. There's a cup holder for like storage. So this little hack here. There is this basket which I've had for the longest amount of time, for like 5 6 years, ever since I wanted my own house. And then this is actually the only fake flower I have at my place, but I kept it in water. So this is a little hack. It does not, so that it looks real. Um, Coffee. I'm a big coffee nerd, so there's coffee situation here. Cute stuff. And this is West Side. Um, Cups. This cupcake holder is actually something that my sister made back in her college days. These frames up here. There are two swans. They're like uh, hearts and flowers, and this light which goes perfectly well. It's again an IKEA light, so you can get it. This curtain, and I cut it halfway through, and I find it now very antique that this actually happened. And I actually did this. Three words that I have for my house is chic, romantic, and vintage. Yes, squirrels come in. By the way, squirrels come in my kitchen, and that's quite a bit of a problem. I used to love them. I still love them. Don't get me wrong. But then they started not. They did not allow me to pet them even once, and I gave them walnut after walnut after walnut, and they were quite rude. um, I cook a lot. I cook all my meals, so I'm here a lot of time, especially in the morning after like my morning routine. I'm here, I'm cooking my meals before I get onto my day. This is something that I actually, so this was all colorful. I got it painted white, and I attached these handles to it, which makes them look sort of vintage and nice. So you know, it's in these small detailing that it literally transforms anything. Um, by the way, the color of this house, of this wall, wait, let me show you up close. So if you see like the paint of this house, this color is called parchment, and I love it. It just gives that extra character to the house. So that's the first thing I got it done when I moved into the house. And Bedroom. Again, growing up, I had these princess dreams, and I forced my family members to call me Princess Kashmir. So I made sure I got myself a princess looking bed. I'm just basically fulfilling all my childhood dreams come true in this house. I sleep like a baby in here. I sleep, this is the most comfortable mattress ever, and get like 8 hours of sleep, sometimes 10, and I love it. I have the most comfortable pillows. This blanket is something that I got from Jaipur. I was in Jaipur and I wanted to find something textured and something that is not so warm as well, because it's Bombay and Bombay is pretty hot. There's this frame. It is again an antique find. You just got to have the eye for it. There's a net curtain situation here, which again adds to the whole vibe. The table, in a very good find, I think. It's very detailed. There's all of these detailing here. There's one mirror here. I had this in my old house, and I thought कि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा mirror हो रहा है. Should I put it? But then I was like, no mirror is too many mirror. That did not even make sense. Wait, let me go again. You cannot have as many oh god, okay. Okay, this part is something so cute. This, I could not get rid of this. Bombay houses have window AC system even now, and especially these older buildings they have, and I wanted to hide it, but I just could not. So we'll technically avoid that for now, and like imagine that that does not exist. This table, this whole situation that's going on here, it's my absolute dream. I always wanted a place where, a designated area where I could do like my hair and makeup and spend like, it's kind of like my meditative state. Sometimes even for shoot, when I do my own hair and makeup, I do it here. This table is where all the beautiful things happen. There's my makeup here, there's my skincare here. Some other time I might give you like a tour of this, because I'm very organized with that and I love it. This mirror, oh my god, it is so beautiful. It is an actual brass mirror. The shopkeeper told me that it's a Victorian time mirror, and I completely believe him, because it has some dust in it or something in it which I cannot remove, and I kind of like it. It again has story. This is an IKEA lamp. It's brass. It's a little worn out right now, but I like the light that it throws. So I definitely do suggest to get this IKEA lamp in particular, because it's quite nice. This chair, it stays here. Sometimes I read here, sometimes I just look outside the window, but most of the time it's there and I'm doing my makeup. Man, a thrift find. Wow. This detailing, everything. So good. Next up, we have this wardrobe. It does not fit all my clothes. I know it is decently big, but I had like a lot of clothes. But when I came in here and I found this, I had to get rid of all of the, like most of them, and I did not mind it absolutely, because I loved this one. This is pure wood, like teak wood, and I asked the carpenter to not actually do anything with it, like not even polish it. I just asked him to get its natural color, whatever wood was there back. I love woods, I love whites and greens, so completely makes sense. There's a lot of detailing in here as well, which I love. um, these knobs are again brass and antique. Time to show you something so special to me. This is actually an extension of the grill, but there's a lot more space here in the bedroom as compared to the living room. And this is what I call my balcony. And you cannot argue with me on that, because Bombay. And this is my coffee place. I have my coffee here in the morning and I look outside, and there's so much joy that I feel. I cannot even begin to express. I read, I journal here. And I bird watch these days. I know it's Bandra and Mumbai, but you do get to see a lot of cool birds here. That's the laundry area. This is I had no place to fit the machine, so this is where I kind of like built my laundry section. And you remember the extension that I spoke to you about in the living room? So this is kind of like where you can go and also go to the living room. Like it's all connected, and I kind of like pass from here. But yes. All right. Thank you so much for watching. It was a pleasure having you over, and I've always wanted to make one of these home tour videos. I finally succeeded. Yes. Yeah. I'll see you again next time. Bye.